How to use Proton Mail Expiration Timer. If you want a certain mail to be deleted automatically from the receiver's inbox, you can set up the expiration mail inside of Proton Mail. To do that, create a message, add in everything that you need, the recipient, the subject, and the body as well. And then in order to add in the expiration mail, you'll be able to see the three-dotted line. Just click on this option and then click on expiration time. This way you can set the exact date and time this particular email is going to expire, meaning it would be automatically deleted. Whether the other person read or did not read the email, it will be automatically deleted on this exact date and time you set. So select the date and time that you want to delete this message or this email and then click on set. If you are sending this to a non-Proton Mail user, make sure you select this or check this option. This way you can send an encrypted mail, meaning you can set your own password. This way the other person can read this email only when the password is entered. If you don't want that, you can leave it unchecked and then click on set. Now you can send this email after you've entered in everything that you need, and the message will be automatically deleted once this date and time hits. So this is the way that you use the expiration timer inside of Proton Mail. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. I'll be back soon with more tutorials just like this. Until then, thanks for watching.